Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today with the new Upper Deck 1920 Allure hockey. I bought a full 10 box inner case and I already opened 4 boxes, so I'm just going to share with you my hits from those 4. We got an orange slice Ben Bishop to 199. Orange slice Matt Duchene, same to 199. White rainbow Gleam Brisebois, I don't know how to say his first name, for the Canucks. Joel Esperance, white rainbow for the Stars. Max Verano for Ottawa Senators, white rainbow. Rudolph Balcers, white rainbow for the Sens. Nick Suzuki, white rainbow for the Habs. Adam Fox, white rainbow for the Rangers. Barrett Hayton for the Coyotes, white rainbow. Capo Caco, number 2 overall pick for the Rangers. This is like a pink parallel. Pink parallel for Nashville, Dante Fabro. And Vitaly Abramov with the pink. So those were some notable hits. I have a few more. We got a red rainbow jersey, Cam Atkinson. Tyler Seguin, red rainbow jersey. Top 50, Max Verano. Vitaly Abramov. Elvis Merzlikins. This guy's going to be good. He got another shutout tonight against the Red Wings. And Rasmus Sandin, top 50 jersey. And then going straight to the PC, Nikita Gusev rookie jersey. Put that back up there. This is a rookie die cut. Green quartz for Vegas Golden Knights. Jimmy Schultz. Now to the autos. Red Rainbow rookie, Taro Hirose. Oliver Wahlstrom, red rainbow. This was a nice hit. Quartz, Leon Draisaitl. And a Ryan Poehling, top 50 rookie auto. So those were all my notable hits from the previous 4 boxes. Like I said, I bought a whole case, so I'm just going to do 1 box now. I don't know what I'll do with the rest. I don't know if I'm going to sell them, break them here for you guys, or break them on my own time. But brand new Allure, got 8 packs, 6 cards per pack, with my boy Jack Hughes on the box. I already cut the little tab, so I should just have to rip this. And it should be open. Now everyone's giving their opinions on what they think it looks like. To me, when I first saw the pictures, I thought it was Panini Select right away, right out of the box. That's why I bought a whole case, because I love Select. But I could also see some O-Pee-Chee Platinum in it. 8 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get started. Flurry. This is the base. Nice and shiny. And then the back. Top 50 Carson Kuhlman. And our top 50 jersey, Joel Farabee for the Flyers. Another Carson Kuhlman rookie. And Felipe Myers. So that was a Boston and Philadelphia box, mixed with some Flurry. Pack number 2. Matthew Tkachuk, Mikko Rantanen, Tyler Seguin, Nathan Bastian, rookie, Orange Slice, Austin Matthews, out of 199, and Ilya Mikheyev. Also, as you can tell, the Bastian is different than the Mikheyev. You got the lines on the side. The Bastian doesn't. The Bastian is a high number short print, 114 and 64. Pack number 3. Matt Dumba, Libor Hayek, top 50 rookie for the Rangers. Guillaume Brisebois, Red Rainbow rookie, not numbered. Like I said, I'm sorry if I butcher his first name. I don't know how to pronounce that. Dylan Larkin, Joel Esperance, rookie, and Sidney Crosby. Joe Pavelski, Austin Matthews, Kirby Doc, good rookie right there. And our auto is the pink rookie parallel, Philip Myers for the Flyers. Brady Tkachuk, and Leon Draisaitl. Just going to sleeve this auto real quick. Next pack. Kako, second overall pick, rookie, Claude Giroux. Top 50 rookie, Kevin Stenlund for the Blue Jackets. White Rainbow, Colton Parayko. Joel Farabee, rookie for the Flyers. And Carl Grundstrom for the Kings, rookie. Should be getting one more jersey card. Connor McDavid. He keeps popping up because he knows I don't know how to say his name. Guillaume Brisebois, rookie. Allure iced out parallel insert. Patrick Kane. Show you the back real quick. They're nice inserts. White Rainbow, Feel the Thrill Kessel. Nathan McKinnon. And Rudolph Balcers, rookie. 2 packs left. Alex DeBrincat. Jimmy Schultz, rookie. Cale Makar. And a Ryan Poehling pewter insert. These are very short print. I wouldn't say very, but they're pretty much one in every 3-4 boxes. And to get a rookie is really good. Not numbered. Definitely a good hit though. Quinn Hughes, rookie. And John Carlson. Last pack. Teuvo Teravainen. Dante Fabro, rookie. Johnny T. John Tavares. These are probably my favorite insert. Winter Storm Warning. Cam Atkinson for the Blue Jackets. You can't actually feel these lines, but if you see right in the middle, it has the actual city of Columbus. I thought that's pretty cool. Red Rainbow, Nick Suzuki, rookie, die cut. And Brock Besser base. So that's going to do it for this break, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know if I'm getting better and what you think of Allure. I personally like it. I still think it looks just like Select. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.